Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make chicken pizza. We are going to start by 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a third a cup of natural yogurt, and some warm water. We're going to mix that in a mixer. I'll keep on adding some water until I get the dough, the right consistency I want for my dough. I'm now going to knead the dough, adding some vegetable oil until it's soft. I'm going to grease the sufuria and cover it with a cling film and place it in a warm place for 1 hour until it doubles in size. Next, we're going to make the toppings. Here you have chicken breast. I'm going to add paprika, curry powder, salt, some vegetable oil, crushed garlic and ginger. I'm going to mix that. That's my marinade for the chicken breast, and I'm going to keep it in the fridge for about 1 hour. One hour later, I'm going to pan smear the chicken breast in a very hot pan. If you wish, you can stew it by the way, but I just prefer to pan smear it. Next, we're going to make the sauce. So here I'm going to add some vegetable oil, some onions. I'm going to cook them until they are tender and soft. Then I'm going to add the crushed garlic and ginger paste. I'm going to add some tomatoes, some salt, some oregano, thyme. Mix everything. Curry powder again, and some sugar to help with the tanginess of the tomatoes, but it's not a must to add the sugar. Then I'm going to add some water and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Yes, then we're going to blend that mixture. Our dough has risen. Going to make the rounds, the balls. I'm going to roll out the balls, not so thick, not so thin. Then I'm going to take a pizza pan, grease it with some vegetable oil, and then add the roll out dough. and then we are going to assemble our ingredients. First, we're going to start with our tomato sauce. The tomato sauce is very sweet. It has all the ingredients you can think of that are needed in a sauce pizza, in a pizza sauce. Yes. That's our sauce. That's our blended sauce, tomato sauce to be precise. We're just going to add just enough. We don't want the dough to be soggy. Just enough. Spread it out evenly. Then I'm going to add the peppers, the green, red, and yellow peppers. Then we're going to add our pan-seared chicken breast. And lastly, we're going to add our mozzarella cheese. I didn't have time to grate the cheese because a baby girl was lazy today. In the second pan, we're going to repeat the process. Add the tomato sauce, add the peppers, add the chicken breast, and then the cheese. By there, you can use any toppings of your liking. You can use beef, sausages, mushrooms, any toppings you wish you can use. And that's the picture of our toppings. Then we're going to bake it in the oven, in a preheated oven, for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. That's our final results. It was so yummy. And let me know in the comment section which other videos or which recipes you would want me to do in the next coming weeks. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.